Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio installed and JDK set. Open Android Studio and go to SDK Manager. This is the first actionable step. Select the SDK platforms you need and pick the Android API levels for your project. Make sure to check Android SDK Tools and Android Emulator under SDK Tools. Once done, apply changes and let packages download. This saves wasted time later and ensures your environment matches your target devices. Now you configure the detailed components required by your app. In SDK Manager, install platform tools, specific build tools versions, and system images for emulators you will use. Next, open project structure and verify the SDK location. Alternatively, add SDK. Dire and local. Properties with the exact path. You want consistent tool versions to avoid build failures. If using Gradle, sync the project so the build system recognizes installed SDK components and resolves dependencies correctly. Finish by testing the full setup. Create an AVD and launch the emulator to confirm system images work. Then run Gradle sync and build a simple debug APK. You should see a successful build and app deploy. If something fails, check SDK path, file permissions, and build tools versions. Those are common culprits. One key troubleshooting tip: if Gradle complains about missing SDK components, open SDK Manager. Reinstall the specific platform or build tools, then resync. That usually fixes version mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.